आपने फ्लूटेड ग्लास के बारे में सुना है और इसे आर्किटेक्चर एंड इंटीरियर में आप कहाँ यूज कर सकते हैं? अगर आपको जानना है तो ये वीडियो आप ही के लिए है। Hey guys, welcome back to Design by Misha, a YouTube channel which brings you a lot of ideas and inspiration for your home. सबसे पहले बात कर लेते हैं कि ये फ्लोटेड ग्लास होता क्या है। This decorative glass is crafted with vertical patterns and आपको मिलती है visibility and privacy in your space. Also known as ribbed glass and some people even call it moru glass. इसको आइडेंटिफाई करना काफ़ी सिंपल है by its vertical groove and it is highly popular to add texture to your living space. जो linear curves होते हैं ना, that create the illusion of smooth flowing streams of water, especially in clear glass. ये एक latest interior design trend है जिसे हम use कर सकते हैं in residential and commercial properties. Fluted glass काफ़ी ज़्यादा popular था in 1920s and 30s throughout the Art Deco era, and it was frequently used in interior design with wall sconces and pendants. And I'm sure आपने देखा होगा इस design को. It can add a sense of luxury to any space. Think about glass cabinets in the kitchen, the shower wall in the bathroom, a coffee table in the living room, wall sconces in the bedroom. The list goes on. Pair it with brass to create a sense of Art Deco glam, or pair it with wood for a warmer and more classic feel. Trends that started off in a few kitchen cupboards and has spread into the living room, onto the walls and just about anywhere you can think of. Recently, internal windows with fluted glass are making a strong comeback and has been very popular. सबसे अच्छी बात ये है इस ग्लास की कि it solves the problem of creating privacy while still maintaining light and airy interior spaces. Actually, it is perfect for those who don't want everything on display, especially on open shelves, but also don't want heavy wall cabinets. और जब आप इसे पेयर करते हैं with aluminium frames, fluted glass creates a unique interior design. अगर मैं thickness की बात करूँ तो ये आपको मिलेगा in different sizes from 6 mm to 12 mm and colors में भी आपको clear, low iron, blue, bronze, green, grey और भी कई ऑप्शन मिल जाएंगे. इस ग्लास का प्राइस डिपेंड करेगा ऑन द स्टाइल, थिकनेस एंड साइज, बट हाँ, यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट टू पे 50% मोर फॉर फ्लूटेड ग्लास व्हेन कंपेयर्ड विद अदर ग्लास. You can check your local dealer for exact pricing. Fluting is tactile, traditional, and little different with a certain decorative quality. It has charm, a character, and delightfully wholesome feel to it. There are plenty of ways to bring this fluted effect into your home. So what do you think about this fluted glass? Are you a fan, or does it feel little too vintage for your taste? Personally, I can't wait to see more of ribbed texture in both interior design and product design. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for this video. Keep watching Design by Misha and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in another video with new ideas and inspiration. Till then, bye and take care.